Assalamu alaikum. My name is Dr. Asim Masood. The topic of my today's presentation is application of artificial intelligence in veterinary industry and animal husbandry. Throughout this presentation, first I will give you some introduction about our topic today. Then I will let you know what is artificial intelligence. Then I will give some of the main application of artificial intelligence, animal husbandry and veterinary industry. Basically, the global demand for various livestock products will increase up to 70% next 30 years. We know that the global demand of livestock product is increasing day by day. More than half of the world population is connected to internet through smartphones. Animal husbandry data is widely available, but they are not used enough for production relevant tasks. I mean, but in medical science, a potential artificial intelligence have been developed from last 4 decades. So there is a lot of potential of applying animal husbandry data in the we can say in animal husbandry in artificial there is a lot of potential in applying artificial intelligence and machine learning application in animal husbandry. So what is artificial intelligence? Artificial intelligence is the intelligence exhibited by the machine rather than human or animals. The intelligent agent perceive its environment and take action to maximize success. Capability of machine to imitate intelligent human behavior. Algorithms are part of structure of AI. The simple algorithms are used in simple application while more complex one help frame strong AI. A techniques which enables machine learning to mimic human behavior are basically the artificial intelligence technique. Machine learning is a subset of AI which use statistical methods to able machine to improve with experience. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning which make the computation of multilinear network that mimic the human. So what is artificial intelligence? What are the major types of artificial intelligence? First is artificial narrow intelligence, then artificial general intelligence, and artificial super intelligence. Artificial intelligence or narrow intelligence, also known as weak AI. It involves applying AI only to the specific tasks. For example, Alexa, Siri, iFlight like robotic milking machine. Artificial general intelligence, also known as strong AI, it involves machine that process the ability to perform any intelligent task that human can do. For example, self-driving cars. Then we have Chat GPT nowadays is artificial intelligence. Then artificial superintelligence. It is a term referring to the time and capability of the computer will surpass human. So it is really the dangerous thing that with the pace the people are working on artificial intelligence, the time might come the robots or the machine will be much more intelligent than humans. So in one of the interview of Jeff Hinton, which is also known as the father of AI, and he was also won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 2024, has also shown concern about that we are creating machines and we are creating robots which are more intelligent than humans. So it is one of the risks of artificial intelligence. So what application of artificial intelligence in any husband is that we the some parts of the world they are using artificial intelligence in our animal husbandry. So it can be divided into three phases. First will be total uh, machine learning application like automatic milking machines, automated feed pusher, manual removal robot. Second, we need a data for this thing. So for this thing, we need electronic sensor, electronic data processing. First, animal tracking system sensors we need revolution sensor, we need activity sensor, we also need electronic ear tag, neck collar sensor, camera monitoring, and concentrate feeding station. Then for the electronic data processing, we need some type of disease detection models. We also need ostrich detection model, then data transfer into the herd management system. Then we also need concentrate feed allocation depending on the milk yield. Automatic milking system. The automatic milking machines have cups with sensor that can be attached individually to cow teats. So in automatic milking machine, we have a cup with sensors that is attached individually to the cow teats. The machines can also automatically clean and sanitize the teats machine can also identify color, impurities, and quality of the milk. If the milk is not fit for human consumption, it is diverted to separate containers. Second, we have automatic robot feeder and manual removal robot. Automatic robot feeder used to feed concentrate of mixtures of roughage as per need of farm manual. A scraper robot used to clean slatted floors. It pushes and scraps tirelessly and easily traversing long passages and ensure clean slurry free surfaces. Then drones. Farmers keep a manual vigilance whenever a livestock moves out of the farm for grazing. Drones can keep track of the cattle and herd them back from fields to barns. Drones can also capture pictures of the pasture areas. Some top drone companies are 3D Robotics, S at DJI Technology Limited, Terra Drone Corporation. Then we have a precision dairy farming. It is used to measure physiological, behavioral, and production indicators of individual animals to improve management strategies, profitability, and farm performance. Use of PDF technologies that make farmers less dependent on human labor supports them in daily management and helps them to improve their farm profitability. Precision dairy farmer monitor health and production and translate the result in useful information. Walking activity. Pedometer allows monitoring of both walking and milking activity in dairy farm. It is used to observe daily movements, including milking, eating, standing, and lying, and can detect changes in the measurement of the activity. Pedometer also predicts lameness earlier than the appearance of the clinical signs by correlating pedometer activity with clinical cases of lameness. Then we have a milk yield and milk electrical conductivity. Significant changes in the milk yield can be observed as early as 10 days before diagnosis of an adverse health effect. Electrical conductivity, along with other information, for example, milk yield, milk flow, number of incomplete milking, may increase accuracy of detecting mastitis. Feeding behavior and intake. Observation of feed intake and production by monitoring activity at the feeder found that the healthy animals spent more time at the feeder than morbid animals, and a greater percentage of healthy animals visited to feeder immediately after feed delivery. Arthur found that changes in the short-term feeding behavior of dairy cows occurred with the onset of the health disorder like ketosis, acute locomotory problems, and lameness. Motion activity instrumentation. Instrumentation like electronic collar, ear tag, pedometer that consists of sensors that shows the variables related to the status of the animal. Reveal that animal status is estimated by the history of recent time of position, activity, temperature, live weight, and other physiological parameter of all individuals in the animal behavior sensors. Sensors are necessary for a detailed record of behavior of animals. For example, sensor measuring head angle and head acceleration, leg acceleration and steps, swelling and jaw movements, biting and chewing, sounds, weight, heart rate, coat. Human pH and human temperature. Human sensors are used to measure temperature, pressure, motility, and pH in human. Measurement of ruminal pH is a reliable and acute diagnostic test for ruminal acidosis. Continuous monitoring of ruminal pH is possible through wireless telemetry, which has the capacity to accurately detect subacute ruminal Estes detection system. Detection of the cows in heat has become more and more difficult due to changes in the animal behavior and management. 3D accelerator meters are used to detect S and calving. Farm management system. Farmers can track, monitor, and manage health, nutrition, behavior, milking frequency, milk production, activity level in real time. Smart animal trackers can be implanted in the cattle's ears, tails, legs, neck, or any part of the body. Smart cattle health tracking devices are Herdman, Smart Tech, Mocall, Smart. Geographic Information System. Surveillance and monitoring studies indication identification and location of the environmental risk factors for disease prediction, prevention, and control. GIS integrates hardware, software, and data for capturing, managing, analyzing, and displaying all forms of geographically referenced information, reporting that the GIS predict the possibility of transmission of infectious diseases between herds. Application of then now I will discuss about the application of artificial intelligence in veterinary industry. Artificial intelligence holds the capacity to fulfill diverse functions in veterinary clinical practice, transforming the delivery of veterinary care and elevating outcomes for animals. Radiomics, a cutting-edge aspect of the precision medicine, utilizes advanced mathematical analysis to quantitatively approach a medical imaging. Machine learning, a fundamental subfield of AI, assumes a crucial impact by crafting algorithms that learn from existing data to make accurate predictions for algorithms used for the prediction of disease diagnosis. For example, cows, mastitis is one of the disease. Bag of words algorithm and gradient boosted tree algorithm is normally used for the detection of mastitis. And parameters detected are somatic, cell count, and electrical conductivity. Then we have a condition called lameness. The algorithms which are used uh, for the detection of lameness, like fog computing, classification, and regression tree. And what they measure is that leg movement, neck movement, and image video data. Then we have a postpartum disease, and the most famous algorithm, which is also used for the detection of postpartum disease, for random forest algorithm. And what it detects lactose yield, protein production, and now we'll discuss about zoonotic disease monitoring, epidemiology, and surveillance. Zoonotic diseases are the infections that are spread between people and animals, and one of the recent famous zoonotic disease was coronavirus. AI tool is a promising tool in zoonotic disease monitoring and surveillance. Example, flu spread prediction. A machine learning based tool is used to predict the human associated influenza. AI also help research scientists and veterinary practitioners to develop methodologies that have been consistently applied in animal disease surveillance and foodborne diseases. Machine learning algorithms have also been used to detect the potential of utilizing genomic and epidemiological metadata simultaneously for the food and waterborne disease. Then we have a development of disease model. Machine learning is useful in the field of animal health surveillance, especially in the development of models that make prediction. For instance, farms that are more prone to becoming infected with a certain pathogen can be identified. This is garnered from the previous case data and a set of potential risk factors. In Canada, machine learning models have been used in Procine epidemic diarrhea virus cases to predict future trends. Machine learning can be applied to decipher methods to detect the possibility of the host that can carry the diseases. Then we have artificial insemination. Artificial intelligence, with its formidable data processing capabilities, assumes a pivotal role in the analysis of vast data sets encompassing animal reproductive, physiological, genetics, and environmental factors. By simulating and interpreting this wealth of information, AI algorithms become instrumental in identifying optimal breeding windows, thereby enhancing decision-making processes crucial for the success of artificial insemination procedures. Moreover, artificial intelligence facilitates the development of predictive models that consider multifaceted parameters influencing reproductive success. And then we have antimicrobial resistance. The emergence of the resistance in microbes poses a significant threat to world population and world health, particularly in underdeveloped nations with inadequate healthcare infrastructure. As such, it is critical to create instruments to facilitate the quick development of novel medications, vaccines, and diagnostic instruments. AI, artificial intelligence, has the potential to have a substantial influence on antimicrobial resistance and the detection of residue in food, such as meat and milk, as existing laboratory approaches are time consuming and fraught with difficulties. Artificial intelligence has the potential to significantly impact antimicrobial resistance, and also detection of the antibiotic residue in food such as meat and milk. Then we have a cancer research. Cancer research is being revolutionized by the artificial intelligence in veterinary medicine. Artificial intelligence powered instruments are essential for improving cancer detection, management, and prevention. A study was conducted where an AI powered, artificial intelligence powered tool autonomously identified and delineated suspicious areas of prostate cancer without requiring any human intervention. Therefore, the AI tool proves to be a promising asset in cancer imaging, significantly aiding radiologists in achieving accurate cancer diagnosis. Moreover, its pivotal role extends to the identification of cancer drug targets. Then we have genomic and vaccine development research. AI is rapidly becoming a transformative methodology in the field of genomic research, offering a powerful toolkit for analyzing vast, complex genomic datasets and extracting meaningful insights. AI algorithms, particularly machine learning techniques, excel at identifying patterns and relationships in data that may elude traditional methods, enabling researchers to make novel discoveries and accelerate the pace of genomic research. Artificial intelligence algorithm can effectively identify and characterize single nucleotide polymorphisms, insertion and deletions, and other functional and structural variants. This is particularly crucial for whole genome sequencing data, which generates data that requires sophisticated analysis tools to identify and interpret genetic variants. For the my audience, I just want to share that the 2024 Physics Nobel Prize was awarded to the Jeff Hinton, which was a pioneer of machine learning and artificial intelligence. And interestingly, the 2024 Chemistry Nobel Prize was also awarded to the scientists which have applied the machine learning algorithms in whole genome sequencing and in vaccine development and genomic research. So machine learning is now is a very hot field in this world in scientific. Then I will discuss about photomedicinal, ethnomedicinal, and pharmaceutical research. Artificial intelligence could improve drug discovery and development of processes from natural products. Novel drug development is complex, time consuming, labor intensive. Uh, However, AI plays a vital role in accelerating the timeline via effective and efficient analysis of vast data sets. Artificial intelligence powered tools can generate and evaluate millions of potential drug candidates, significantly reducing the time and effort required for drug design. It also can identify novel drug targets with potential therapeutic efficiency. Artificial intelligence can potentially change the drug discovery process by accelerating the identification of promising drug candidates, optimizing clinical trial design, and enabling personalized medicine approaches. So here are in the last slide, I will recommend some of the future things which can be done in the CU Cholistan University Veterinary Animal Sciences. So it is this slide includes some of the recommendation for CUES administration. First recommendation is that the establishment of Center of Artificial Intelligence. So it will help university to get billions of rupees of funding from the federal government and Punjab government. Establishment of Center of Artificial Intelligence will also help faculty members to win grants from HEC. Faculty members can also win grants from USAID, World Bank, and other international agencies as well. Spin out companies can also come out of our university. It will increase the goodwill of the university, and university admission will also increase rapidly. So it was all I want to say today, and my presentation is over. Thanks for listening. Okay, Allah Hafiz.